In this video, we are going to go on a trip to Kuala Sepetang area. Always color the area with eagles in the sky. And of course, with unique seafood that you can't find this delicious anywhere. Let's take a look at the firefly of this area, which have unique view. At the end, we will visit the old coal factory of this area. So let's watch this video together. After one of driving, I arrived. The weather is wonderful, although I think that it will rain. You can feel the good smell of fish and good smoke, and you can see a lot of people here. One of my friends suggested this hotel to me. The design of this hotel is in the style of wooden ships. Most of things are made of wood and you can fully feel the good smell of wood. Fortunately, my room has a view to the river. People are so friendly and kind here. They help me a lot to park my car and find my hotel and suggest me a lot of good restaurants here. And also here is famous to have eagle. You can see a lot of eagles crossing in the air. Oh, I see an eagle. I hope I can catch it. After a good rest, it's time to freshen up with a delicious fresh seafood. It's a kind of shrimp, yeah?
From the same family.
It's the same family.
You want garlic?
So delicious. It's enough. Yeah, put it here. So delicious. What is that?
A lot of bone. So you have to
A lot of bone.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You like the spiciness?
The taste is spicy, and I think they use lemon, onion, and some flavors that I cannot recognize what they are. But the taste is so good. "30 minutes away from here, there is a forest full of fireflies. Let's go see together." Yeah. Now we are going to find fireflies. It is so far from the land, and everywhere is so dark. No, I cannot get. Unfortunately, I couldn't take any video from the firefly because they are so small and my camera cannot support to take video from them. And now here is so rainy. I'm going to the hotel to take rest. People's jobs here are mainly fishing and related jobs such as seafood restaurants and selling fresh and dried fish. In Malaysia, many people add various dried fish to their meals. Some of them are dried and eaten like chips, and some fish are dipped in salt and eaten as a side dish. The second category of jobs, because of the many travelers who travel here, you can see many peddlers on the street. They sell juice and fruits.
All these are added into your cooking.
I think you
It can be in soup or it can be in vegetables to add fragrance.
have you eaten all of them? How about this?
Also like the anchovies.
In the past, here was a train station, but as you can see, the government destroyed and built this village. There is no more.
There's nothing special for you. I want to let you find one. Do you want this?
Is it delicious?
Coconut flakes with curry. I don't know whether it's...
Yes, there I go.
OK，这个有一个，要什么啊？一样。哦，一样啊，要，是啊。多少钱？
What is it? Coconut?
哦，要flakes。Curry coconut flakes。
The taste is so weird, but so delicious.
Curry used in these noodles.
So
The
delicious.
taste is curry.
I like it. Maybe I
You still have one more.
will buy more and take it to the house.
Okay. Let's go opposite.
What is that?
Sweet potato yam. Let's go there.
Okay.
And then this is glutinous rice cake. The middle one, the brown.
The brown?
Yeah.
What is that?
Glutinous rice cake.
It is pink, not brown.
Take down your sunglasses. Take
Huh?
down your sunglasses.
It is pink
Middle
again.
one, the middle one.
The middle one.
Yeah, it's brown.
No, it's pink.
No, it's brown.
Okay.
The color you see pink, maybe it because it's mixed with the pink, the purple sweet potato.
Okay.
Brown or pink?
Yeah, you are right. Maybe it's brown.
I know you don't like this
It doesn't have any taste.
because it's sweet. It's supposed to be sweet.
It doesn't have any taste. It is like a bread, an oily bread.
Okay. Wrap. Inside is vegetables.
Vegetables.
You don't
So
like it?
delicious. No,
I like it very much.
so delicious. It is charcoal factory. It is like a tourist attraction here. I want to visit here.
Kalau kaki, tangan ada budi ke apa pun boleh pakai lah. It's like for your wound. If you have wound that cannot be good, cannot recover, you use it.
Oh.
Or you use it on the pets like not pets, like mouse
Ah,
and sanitizing.
okay, that's
But
great.
it's not for food.
You can feel the smell of smoke everywhere, and as you can see, smoke everywhere because they burn wood here and convert them to the chalk.
That kind man gave me many information about his work and finally asked me to follow him to give me a gift. I was so excited to see what it is.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Terima kasih. they are my gift. This person is so generous and he gave us 2 gifts. You get valuable things after every trip, which can be memories, experiences, and good friends. In this beautiful river area, I saw very honorable, generous, kind, and friendly people with whom I enjoy talking and living with them. People live a simple life and enjoy their life immensely, and always have a smile on their face. The good smell of this city and the sound of its beautiful rain and the beautiful scenery and its memories will never leave my mind.